Riri gukoretwo na ngucanio gatagati ga thirikari na thibitari cia andu kiumbe igie kwaga kurekererio kwa marĩhi ma SHA, muingĩ ukoretwo ugitangĩka magietha motungata ma urigitani. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-inĩ ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Mary Muthoni, Akenya matiagĩrĩire kwerithio na njĩra ya kwaga kũrigitwo hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mekinya thibitari-inĩ kumana na ngucanio ĩno.
I want to ask the owners of facilities, please do not charge people. If there's an issue between you and SHA, sit down on the table with the Ministry of Health. Fahari wawili wakipigana, nyasi ndio huumia. So we do not want the patient to actually get challenges because of an issue that you can handle at another level.
Akiaria ari kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, Muthoni nĩorĩtie mathibitari ma andu kĩũmbe na ma makanitha kunanĩra njung'wa na thirikari handũ ha kũiga mĩtũrĩre ya Kenya hatĩka-inĩ.
Once you register levels 1, levels 2, 3 and the sub-county hospital, please, you're not supposed to pay anything. It is not me saying, it is the law. So let us mobilize our people, mobilize the citizens, and ensure that they know what is the truth. And where there is a question, I think we are always here to answer any question.
Akinyĩrĩirie atĩ mũbango wa ũtungata wa ũrigitani wa SHA nĩ ũraruta wĩra, no akoria Kenya mathiĩ na mbere na kwĩyandĩkithia nĩgetha marigitwo naguo.
Let the masses continue registering for SHA. SHA is working. SHA is working. And we are not backtracking. There is no NHIF. We can only make it better. I have had issues of Linda Mama, Linda Jamii. Nobody said that Linda Mama was a bad program. We are only saying, let us enhance what we already have. And that is what we have done as a government.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.
Siasa hatutaki. Siasa hatutaki kabisa.